So it's mid-August 2021 and the garden still isn't doing very well. I'll come out here from time to time and weed it. I really haven't had to do much watering as it's rained almost every single day, it seems like, this summer. I did water it last night. This lettuce plant that got chewed up is coming back. I initially thought it was a rabbit, but after seeing that the tomatoes that were looking good eaten up like this, I'm beginning to wonder if it might be a groundhog. It's hard to say. Some of these plants here that I thought were marigolds, I'm now thinking these are weeds, some of these in between. But the marigolds did come up pretty good. Got cilantro all over the place. Pumpkins flowering yet again, but not producing anything. And this $7 plant I bought in late July just didn't make it. I think it just got way too much water. Some lettuce back here. We've already pulled some lettuce from the garden and had it in our salad. It was pretty good. Had it in our salad. That should make New York Outcast happy. You can see this lettuce. It's doing pretty good here. And these tomatoes here, few that this plant's produced, they haven't been eaten yet. Pretty much all the peppers have had it. They're done. We got raspberries out of here this year, and we'll probably get a few more. But yeah, things just aren't doing so well. Here we go. We've got tomatoes growing from seeds that were just tilled up from last year's plants, and here's some of these little cherry tomatoes finally coming up. These are ready to pick. Green onions are doing well, like every year. I've got what I think is a Marconi giant red pepper. This seems to be doing well in there. It seems to be safe, but the green beans just didn't do so well. The bush beans that I planted came up, but I wonder if they choked out the pole beans or something, because all of these green bean vines are smaller than what we normally get. And you might be able to see over there the one celery plant from last year that came up. When that gets a little bit bigger, we'll go ahead and harvest that. But all the seed that I planted in there just never came up, and instead we ended up with grass. Actually, I'm going to come in here because I think I see something. Yeah, cherry tomatoes. Can't really see them too well. Just some shade there, but got some cherry tomatoes, or grape tomatoes. I'm going to pluck a few of these that are red. Yeah. And the potatoes seem to be doing okay. But everything else in here just didn't make it. The raspberries pretty much choked off the strawberry plant, so they didn't really yield much, just a few berries at the beginning of the season. And they seem to be choking off the carrots that are in here. But I might try to see at the end of the season if these things got big enough. The last time I pulled a carrot out of the garden, it was just really small. Here you can see a strawberry, and it doesn't look like a critter's gotten to it yet. And I'd like to finish up the update video with these Cowhorn Hot Peppers. These actually turned out pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and pluck these. Try not to damage the plant here. Actually, this would be better if I do it two-handed. And the lunchbox orange yielded at least one. Oh no, there's some green ones. Might get a few more. So I got a few things out of the garden this year so far, but really it's, you know, the same old from my videos earlier this year. Just not very good results. I think a lot of it has to do with the rain, but there's some other things. And there's always next year. I still have some decisions to make. Thanks for watching.